Horizontal machining center W1380B. 3-axis travel. 1300700800 mm workpiece size range. 1300 by 960 mm, standard hydraulic 4-sided indexing table. Optional 630 CNC rotary table with 0.001 degree precision. Capable of 4-sided machining in a single setup. Equipped with the Japanese Mitsubishi M80 system. Side dual spiral chip conveyor for quick debris removal. Reduces downtime and lowers labor costs. W1380B. Suitable for machining small housings and complex-shaped parts. Capable of deep hole and large hole box machining. Integrated body design. Optimized with finite element analysis. Ensures high speed, high precision, and high stability.